Are distant trips really better? We've been RVing and glamping for over 10 years now, visiting 34 states so far. We've camped close to home and gone cross country more times than we can count. We've been as far west as Glacier National Park in Montana, as far east as Acadia in Maine. We've explored Michigan's Upper Peninsula, spent plenty of time down in Florida, and hit nearly every state in between. Earlier this month, we took a short 4-day local trip, just 2 hours from home, to Cuyahoga Valley National Park in northeast Ohio. It's a spot we've known about for years, but honestly, kind of overlooked. We've called Ohio home for most of our lives, and we foolishly figured, we've already seen Ohio. How good could it be? But here's the thing, we all daydream about those dramatic, faraway places, when in reality, every part of this country has so much to offer. Sometimes you just have to set aside your preconceptions and take a closer look at what's nearby. This morning we're having a real delicacy, fried spam and eggs.
Oh, spam.
So I know the fried spam looks maybe like not what you're used to, but you fry the spam and do some eggs and put it over rice. It's actually really good. Learned this one from my wife.
We're currently on the towpath going from Peninsula down to Everett, I think, or Everest, something like that. It's supposed to be 3 miles. You know, I'm not complaining. It is blue sky and beautiful. Our bike ride earlier was great.
It's beautiful. It should be a little more fall-y. I should be wearing a sweater right now.
We biked from Peninsula to Everett and back, and I think it was roughly 3 or 3.5 miles each way. And it was bumpy, but beautiful.
Yeah, it was a good ride. And the trail, it was like 11 o'clock in the morning on a Friday, and it was crowded. Like, there was a lot of people, which was kind of cool to see. I think sometimes if I'm not hiking on a trail or something, I think like, oh man, like nobody is using these trails, nobody is hiking. I don't know why I think they're deserted. So I always get like excited to see them getting well used. Our national parks are a treasure.
Yeah, so we were on the towpath, which is the old TOW, not TOE. So it's the old pathway next to the canal that runs from, I think, downtown Cleveland down to New Philadelphia, something like that. I could be wrong.
No, that's something I could have learned from a plaque that I probably didn't read.
Yeah, and so the towpath is where, so they had a canal system, and they would use mules to tow barges down these canals. And there's all these locks to adjust for the elevation, and we saw 4 or 5 of those.
Which they only got to do
the remnants of them. Yeah, this is like 100 years ago. So they built.
Well, they only did it for like 10 years.
Yeah, they built this huge canal system all over northeastern Ohio, And I have no idea what that cost, but it took forever and a lot of work. And then about 10 years after they built the canal system, they invented the steam locomotive and railroad.
The railroad.
Put the canals out of business in a hurry. So now it's just the remnants. But now you can bike the towpath, and it's
get to
it's
enjoy
really
it
beautiful.
now.
It's right along the river, and I don't know, just especially in the fall, it's beautiful.
Yeah. It could be 10 degrees cooler, but it's still really nice. We're enjoying ourselves.
3:30 on a Friday.
Look at that. That's great. This campground's hopping. Charlotte, how do you feel about going for a hike right now?
Not great.
Not great.
I don't like hiking.
You don't like hiking? Why not? You just don't.
We're on our way to Ledges Overlook. Guess this is one of the big things you gotta see when in Cuyahoga.
Yeah, something with the name Ledges gives me a lot of anxiety with our 2-year-old, so
It did say recommended for ages 6 and up.
don't have that.
Neither one of our kids qualify for that,
No,
but we're gonna do it anyway.
this will probably be pretty stressful, but we'll see. I hope it's not, but it probably will be.
But it's 81. Jeez. We need a big open field.
No, no bear.
Oh, bear! Bear! Bear!
I don't think so.
Go fast.
Slow, slow. Jeez, Teddy. Careful. The sand is slippery. Feet, feet.
We could go down here if you want to.
I thought we were heading back to the car.
We got here like what, 15 minutes ago?
I thought the ledge was the thing to see, and now we're done with that. So
We're walking. We're enjoying nature. Well, I'm enjoying nature. You're not enjoying nature.
I'm enjoying it. Teddy, use your feet, please. We have the kids to carry back up.
Yep,
Okay. As
we can do it.
long as you didn't forget.
I remembered the kids this time.
Okay. You got it, Papa J. Hike done.
What'd you think?
I'm sweaty, but it wasn't as stressful as I thought it would be, which is good.
It's great. Very rocky and big drop-offs. I mean, not huge. Maybe like 60 feet. And then,
Well, yeah.
so there's like an upper.
For unrestrained children, those are big drop-offs.
There's like an upper, it seemed to us, we did not do everything, but from what we did, there's an upper rim and a lower rim, and we did a little bit of both.
Yeah, a little bit. There's probably a lot more that we didn't do. But the kids really enjoyed it. Teddy actually walked the whole way. We didn't really have to carry him. He's 2, and Charlotte was, you know, like a rocket the whole time.
She did great.
Yeah, it was very appropriate for 4.5, 5.
Yeah. So, yeah, it was great.
Good.
I would definitely do it again. I wish we could have done the whole thing, but we didn't have the stamina for that today.
No.
I'm hungry.
And the kids are hungry.
Time to go back and make some Crunchwraps.
Crunchwraps for dinner tonight.
I'm hungry.
Okay, honey, we're gonna. All right, we're gonna eat. Making Crunchwraps tonight, but that means that the kids are gonna have quesadillas. So I'm gonna get started on the Crunchwraps, and I'm gonna get a quesadilla going. All right, so I'm gonna cook ground beef in here, quesadillas in here. As we build the Crunchwraps, I'll make them in there. It's getting hot, quick. Cheese. Lots of cheese. Perfect. Ooh, hot. Hot, hot. Alright, let's let that melt in a minute.
You have a glass of wine? All great chefs have a glass of wine.
You know what? I don't have a glass of wine. I know. This channel will fail now. Oh, a glass of wine! Right on cue!
Good things do happen.
It's a big glass of wine. Woo! That looks pretty. Alright. Hopefully I don't forget about that. But I can't make any promises. That's a pretty quesadilla. A quesadilla. Don't touch it. Let her go.
So what you making?
Crunchwraps.
So what makes them crunchy?
Tostadas.
What are those?
It's like if you took a hard shell taco and it's just a flat round.
Okay.
And it's a tostada. So you put this inside the tortilla and then put all your toppings on. Then you've seen these before. Then I fold all the sides in and then I grill it. So it's just like a handheld.
So it's inside a flour tortilla. So it's the soft and the crunch.
Yeah.
Wow. And what is the filling?
Beef, and I do some yogurt and salsa and corn and cheese and chilies. Then you wrap it all up. All right, assembling quesadilla. You can use sour cream. I'm a plain Greek yogurt person. It literally tastes exactly the same, so, in food. So, tostada. Tostada. Okay. Cheese. Some more cheese. If anybody, Taco Bell, talking to you, knows how to put lettuce in a Crunchwrap and the lettuce not wilt when you're heating it up, I would love to know. Unless it's like yucky lettuce, and I don't want to know. I don't care. Some chilies. Some corn. Usually I'd have some cilantro. I don't have any because I forgot it. Hot meat, hot meat. Now the wrapping. This part's fun. You literally just fold her up. Wow, these are the best quesadillas I've ever used for this. I'm very excited. Look at that. She's beautiful. All right, I'm going to bring her over here. Folded side down.
No.
While that's going, I'm going to just make the other one. Boom. Ooh, that one's a little burnt. That's okay. Took a little too long for me to get to it. That's better. Right there, see? Yes. That's what we want. Boom. Yummy. Little burnt. Let's see what the next one looks like. Ooh. That's better. That's what they're supposed to look like when I'm paying attention. See, I'm already burning. Whoop! Boining. These kids are a little wired. That's all right. All right. Crunchwrap number 2. Done. How is it?
Pretty good. It's easy.
Trips like this remind us that adventures close to home can be every bit as rewarding as those cross-country journeys. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's episode where I get a little dirty giving the bus entry steps a full makeover.